Hey guys, Mr. Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the GoPro battery backpack. This is the original one. So it comes in like a clear case, sort of. Check out my next video, by the way. It's going to be the LCD touch backpack. So these are all GoPro accessories. Got the GoPro here. These are all GoPro Hero 3 Plus accessories. Okay, so let's have a look at the box. It's pretty plain. Okay, so items include is the battery backpack, standard backpack, back door, skeleton backpack, back door, USB charging cable, protective case, blah blah blah. It's in French. Okay, extend your GoPro's camera battery life. Attaches to the back of your thingy with the accessory thing. There's an accessory hole. I'll show you that. Charge using USB. LCD indicates battery level and charging status. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's the hole there. Camera. So you just simple as that. Check recording status and charging status with the built-in LED light. Compatible with all Hero 4, 3 Plus and 3 cameras. That's really good. So anything above that and below that won't work with this exact one. But you'll be able to find something similar. Open this. Oh, that's very sharp. Could cut a hand there. Don't want to ruin the packaging, but just gonna have to have it. There's something. No. Why is this so hard to get out? Not sure. I'm just gonna rip it. You're stuck on. That is why. Don't really need the packaging. And then it's got another plastic case on it, which I'm not sure how you take it off. That's very sharp. It's too sharp, guys. Oh my god, that worked. Yeah, just use scissors, guys. It's a lot easier. What the fuck? That's a lot of bullshit packaging for just this tiny piece here. Oh, that's really nice material. It's like a matte finish. I'm liking it. Very good, high quality. Look at that. That might be my thumbnail. Oh, that one. Yeah, that's gonna be my thumbnail. Okay, so we got the micro USB port there. Don't know what that is. Maybe it just shows the battery thing or something, or lights up. I'm not sure. Got some sort of button here. Maybe that's a recording button now. I don't know. Maybe it's a release button. We'll find out. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm liking it. Let's see what size it is. 1240. So this will give you extra. Basically it's the same size as the normal battery in the GoPro. So the GoPro lasts about, the Hero 3 Plus, this is I'm on about, lasts about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So with this it'll last 3 hours. And the way this works is it'll go off the battery pack first. As soon as you plug this in, you'll drain the battery life of this first, then your device. So that's really good. It's a good way of doing it. So together if I have this on and that, I got 3 hours there, and then I got 3 spare batteries too, which is an hour and a half, which is 6, and another an hour and a half. So I've got about 7 hours and 30 minutes worth of recording time on battery, as long as they're all fully charged. So that's pretty cool. I don't ever think I'll need that much, so I don't even think I'll finish the normal GoPro. It just means I won't have to charge as much, which is quite good. And then when I do remember to, I will charge, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty cool. The LCD screen there. Just gonna move all this out of the way. Might keep this because that's a cool case. Yeah, it was like that, wasn't it? Yeah. Might keep this because it's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. It's a cool case. You know what I mean? Okay, don't do that, guys. It is a battery, end of the day. I guess. We'll have a look in here. Nothing else there, blah blah blah. Okay. software updates, GoPro product, learn more about it, blah blah blah, safety information. Fucking look how big that is. I'm not gonna read that. Okay, so we got the skeleton door, standard one. So this is the waterproof one. So what this is, you'll have to put this on instead of your normal cover because it is a lot bigger now. It'll be thicker now, I mean. So your normal case won't work. So you just add this on at the end of it. I'll just show you how to do that as well. I'm going to be using this one, I think. Yeah, skeleton. So this is for if you're not going into water and stuff and you want better sound quality. You want the open air there. And it's better cooling as well, so it's pretty cool. Okay, I really like this packaging though. It's really high quality. Oh, this is the most high quality cable I've got so far of the GoPro. I'm really liking this cable. And then this might be charging box or carrying case, I'm not sure. Oh, I have no clue what this is. I actually don't have a clue what that is. Right, included. Let's have a look, guys. Protective case, maybe. Oh, USB charging, no. Protective case. Does that fit in there? Not a chance. That can't fit in there. Oh my god. That actually fucking fits in there, guys. That's really smart. Guess we won't be keeping the plastic after all. We'll be keeping this instead. Really liking that. Good case. Oh, I'm liking it. Because my other batteries all have battery cases like this, so that's really smart. I like it. No wonder GoPro has got so big, as big as it is now. Let me go ahead and get my camera out. Take me a couple seconds. Blah blah blah. Oops. Okay, so to take that out, you just wanna. Oh, I hate this noise. Oh, 1 second. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the open air one, like I said. So the battery pack's just gonna be like that. So this case won't work with it, so you have to switch out. So that's why I'm just getting out. It doesn't actually add much weight to it because they're both pretty light, I'm not gonna lie. Like you can't even feel it. So yeah, it just simply clips in place like that. You got the port there. Simple clip in place. Oh wait, sorry about that, guys. Just take that out. Don't need to press this button. Where's that button gone? No. Okay, so you have to clip in this corner first so it's secure. Then you want to push in. Simple. Now both corners in. Just push it gently and done. I actually like this cover more than how it was before because it looked ugly before. Well, it did look nice, but this just makes a nice matte feel to it. Now if I turn on the camera, might come on here. Yeah, you got the charging whatever notification. Oh, and that charging symbols change as well. It's gone like half bars. So the bottom half is this. It's got 0. I don't know if that's full or empty. Probably empty because it's probably not been charged. So I'll charge that. But yeah, you got the charging indicator there all the time. And then if I press record, you got the red light there now as well. Very nice. So yeah, and then just to take it off again, I think you're gonna pull it out and then clip it out. Simple as that. I guess I did say I'll show you this, but I don't think there's any point. It's literally just plug and play. Simply just slide it off, put it on the new one. That's it. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out more other videos. I'm going to be doing the other unboxing now, so go check that out. See you guys next time. Goodbye.